Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do a square root spiral, which is a very easy but a really important method to get the roots of any number. Now, suppose you want to represent multiple roots on a number line. You have given root 2, root 3, root 4 and more. Now how are you going to represent these in a single step? Okay, it is very easy. You just need to take a 2 centimeter length here. This is 2 centimeter, but you need to write 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, as you write this, now the examiner will say that okay, 2 centimeter is 1 unit. So your diagram will look a little bigger. Now you need to take a perpendicular 90-degree line, which is also 2 centimeter. Let's just go up like this. Now this is 2 centimeter as well. Okay, we will just write it as 1 unit. 1 unit. Now, as you know the drill, I have already taught you how to make how to represent numbers, square roots on a number line. Just how you have to simply follow that steps. Now, join this line with this one, forming a triangle. Let's name them A, B, and C. Now we have AB, BC, and AC. Now what you have to do, just take another, draw a little extension of your line. Okay, this is your extension. As you draw this extension, now here you need to take your protractor and take it at a 90-degree angle. Okay, you need to keep your protractor right here like this. Okay, on this line, and then measure 90 degrees and draw another line. Okay, you draw another line which should start from this point. Okay, so it will go like this, and now remember to take it 1 unit, that means 2 centimeter. So this is going to be our D point. Now join this D point with A. Okay, line didn't get joined with A, but this will. Now you need to repeat the same step, the same exact step. Keep your protractor over here like this. Take 90-degree angle and then draw another line. Okay, and then measure 2 centimeter. This is going to be our E point. A, B, C, D, and then join E with A like this. Okay, now I forgot to tell you that this is going to be our root 2. This will be root 3, and this is going to be root 4. Now did you notice we represented 3 roots in a single step? Okay, now don't forget to mention this in the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now this one is a lengthier one, but still it is really beneficial if you want to represent more than a root, more than one root. Now as we saw, Pythagoras theorem is really easy. Let's take AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? AB is 1 unit, then this is 1 unit, AC square we don't know. So now if we take the square, it is going to be 1. 2 is equal to AC square, right? Now we have taken 2. Now shift this root or this square to this side, so it will become 2 root is equal to AC, right? You need to represent it like this, otherwise your question is going to be incomplete and you will get less marks than you deserve. Suppose you need to represent it till 6, root 6. Very easy. Just take your protractor, measure 90-degree, again extend this line, measure 2 centimeter. This is going to be your F point. Join it with A like this. Okay. Now again you need to draw it, so it will be like this. Okay, this is your line, measure 2 centimeter. This is your G point, join G with A. And as you can see, now this one, this whole line we have drawn. Just 1 second. We started from this point, we came all the way to here, and now you can see that this line is like really straight. It is not bended like it is like this or not. So make sure when I draw this diagram, this final line, I will color it with some other color. This line should be straight. Okay, this line should be straight with this line, AB line. Fine. If you do this correctly and your GA line is really straight with AB line, then your diagram is perfectly done. Okay, the examiner will give you, let's say, these questions usually come for 4 to 5 marks. Okay, and they will tell you to represent uh, more than two roots. I don't mean root 2, more than 2. That means root 3, root 4, then they will tell you find root 5 as well. Okay, so more than 2. So this question can easily come for 3 to 5 marks. Okay, so this one is really important. But it is not necessary that examiner will ask you that you have to do it with this method. The examiner can trick you that okay, you need to represent root 2 or root 3 on the number line, but don't use the square root spiral method. Okay, and suppose you have only prepared the square root spiral method, then how will you do it? For that you need to know the basic how to represent any root on the number line that I made a video on. So this is how you need to prepare 3 diagrams. Okay, one is the square root spiral, one is how to represent a root on a number line, which is basically just forming a rectangle over here, and the other is how to represent root 9.3 or any such kind of number on the number line.